Hi students, we are continuing with the Standard 8 Maths NCERT, and we are continuing with the first chapter, that is rational numbers. Okay, so Standard 8 Maths NCERT chapter is rational number. Now we'll see what is known as additive inverse. Additive inverse. So additive inverse. Okay. So now if we have say 1 and this is plus 1 and then we have another number minus 1. Okay. So plus 1 minus 1 will give us 0. It will give us 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So here the additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. And the additive inverse of minus 1 is 1. Because if you subtract two numbers and if you get the answer 0, those two numbers are additive inverse of each other. This is for all numbers. We'll see for rational numbers, additive inverse. So for rational numbers, like if we take say example 1 upon 2 is a rational number. Okay, now 1 upon 2 is a positive number. So what will be the additive inverse of 1 upon 2? It will be minus 1 upon 2. Okay, additive inverse of 1 upon 2 will be minus 1 upon 2, because if we subtract 1 upon 2 from minus 1 upon 2, we will be getting 0. Like here 1 upon 2 minus upon 1 upon 2. Okay, so here these are rational numbers. So if we take the LCM of this will be 2. Okay, this will be 2. 2, LCM will be 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay, minus, again 1 upon 2, same will come minus 1. So we get minus 1 is 0. Okay, so that is how we are getting the 0 upon 2, you can say, that is 0. So that is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 will give us 0. That is equal to 0. So here the additive inverse of 1 upon 2 is minus 1 upon 2, and the additive inverse of minus 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. This is what is additive inverse. Then we will see reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal. So reciprocal is for multiplication. If you multiply two numbers, the answer what you should get is 1. Those are called reciprocals for rational numbers. So here we'll see now. Similarly, now 1 upon 2 is there. So what will be the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? It will be 2 upon 1. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1. Why? Because if you multiply these two numbers, the answer what we should get is 1. So here we'll see this. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1. 2 ones are 2 ones are 1 ones are. So 1 into 1 is 1. Again it is 1 into 1 is 1. So that is equal to 1. Good. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. Similarly, now both are positive numbers. Now we'll see negative rational numbers also. So here, now if we take say minus 3 upon 4, okay. So here the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 4 will be 4 upon minus 3, because this is minus 3 upon 4, so it will be 4 upon minus 3, because we should be getting the answer 1 if we multiply. So here minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon minus 3. This is cancelled, 1 1, here also 1, and this 4. So again we get 1 upon 1, that is 1. So for reciprocal for two rational numbers, we can see that you have to invert the first number, exactly invert it to get the reciprocal number. You have to invert it is what? Here 1 upon 2. So numerator is 1, denominator is 2. If you have to invert it, the numerator will become 2 and the denominator will be 1 for this number. So this is what is reciprocal. So we have seen additive inverse and for rational numbers, and reciprocal also for rational numbers. Then we'll see, we'll go to we'll see again. I think I have done before, but again I'll just do it over here. We'll see how the number line appears. Okay. So how does the number line appear? So number line zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left side it will be negative -1, -2, -3, -4. So it will go on. Okay. This is the number line simple. You may be, everybody knows about it, but they just have again recalling it. So on the number line, here is the point which we are starting with 0. On the right side will be the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go on. On the negative side again -1, -2. That will also suit the number line. Next we'll see about rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers.